Here's how to make the barrel on the end of a cable. Drill, what is that? A very small drill bit, I think it's 1.5 millimeters or 15 millimeters maybe, who knows. Drill a hole in from the side. Here's a sharper drill bit. This is a 9/64. Yeah, that'll do. Let's see, I'll go a little. That's plenty. Okay, there you have that. Hole coming in from the side, hole coming in from the top. Here's your cable. Yeah, I got my soldering iron over there, and it's nice and hot. Here's this. I'm going to dip this in a little flux here. Put some heat on it. And that was already tinned, that soldering iron, so that thing's tinned now too. Then I'm going to insert it into this hole I drilled earlier. Maybe I am. There it goes. And I'll move this over a bit so that it sits there nicely. Then I'm going to stuff a little flux in that hole. Then I'll stick my soldering iron in there. That should be enough. That was probably 3 inches of solder. Anyway, now I'm going to let it cool. Okay, now it's cooled down. Feels pretty good. And I'm just going to saw it out of there. I got this little coping saw. That thing's turned off. Yep. And the first thing I'm going to do is cut this part. Maybe I am. There we go. And I'm not going to make you watch me cut that whole thing off. I think I'm down to the barrel there, and then I'm just going to brute force this. God damn, that looks good. Look at that thing. Let me bust this side off. There you have it. Look at that, a thing of beauty. Now I'm going to go shape it on the grinder and call it good. I did a little shaping. I've got a bench grinder, and you can see it's not quite perfect, but who cares? Because it's going to hold. That thing is solid. But you can also just take your little mill bastard and shape it to your likes. And but that's good enough for me. It's just going in a brake lever, so what do I care? There it is, finished product. Beauty.